Wow. Ay. Fasten your seatbelt.
Ay, may kabayan pala dito.
Hi, kabayan!
Masarap ba pagkain, kabayan?
It's not working there.
Sarap. Mura din lang ito. Oh, lamig na siya. Ano yun?
Hi guys! We're here now at the second lobe of Caracol
Ski resort.
Ski Resort, the cable car. This is the longest one. So it opens around 11:30 a.m. And we waited down. We're freezing cold! Oh my god!
Look at that. Look at that. We're going up.
And guys, if you want to experience this cable car in Caracol, you have to be ready. Wear a lot of thermal, as in maybe 3 layers or 4 layers, so that you will not feel cold.
Yes.
Hi guys.
On top of the world.
We're
No,
on top of the
not really.
world
It's
of
Everest.
Kyrgyzstan.
But we're on top of Kyrgyzstan in a
So-
cable car and snowfall. Wow.
And this is the longest slope.
This is the longest slope. We waited for this so we can experience to go up on the top. And we are going there. Almost there.
Almost there.
Snowfall.
Snowfall, guys. And guys, hello. And now we're in the highest peak. This is the last peak. The highest one. Oh my God.
No, not yet.
See the view? It's really amazing with the snowfall. I love
Oh my God! Kumalikot, girl. I can touch the fire trees. Oh my God, yung salamin ko nasa loob.
Oh my God!
We are going down. Wow. Basa yung sapatos ko. Nasok ng yelo. Dapat na tayo lagi tayo nasa sunod. Ako masama yung medyas ko. Napagod ako ng konti doon.
Nag-enjoy ka.
Dito ito try ng ano ko. Lalo yung babae ko. May hindi masyado. Pero jump. Bababa na kami.
Thank you for watching my vlog. So, I just shared yung Karakol trip ko. One of my favorite part ng Kyrgyzstan was Karakol. Ang ganda ng snow, ang ganda ng scenery, ang ganda ng paligid na nababalutan ng snow yung mga bahay. Ang ganda lang. My least favorite was Bishkek kasi hindi siya masyadong, hindi ako yung talagang moron, para sa kanila kasi city yon, so less attraction para sa akin. Nag-enjoy ako sa Karakol. Thank you for joining me. Hope you enjoy.